Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today my cousin's gonna be doing a Rubik's Cube solve, and it's gonna be 15 seconds long. See if you can beat it.
Under 15 seconds.
And I'll do it.
I'll be the one doing the time.
Wait, what? Okay, you get on real quick so I can see it. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And we'll mix this up, by the way.
Let's go. You let me know.
Yeah. Just coming up. Oh, go to the 10. And see if you can be 20, Chico.
Yes.
Let's see if you can be 30 now.
Oh, I was gonna.
Let's see if you can be 40. Let's see if you can be 50. Oh, what's the time? Stop it. It was
30.
No,
It was 28.
Yeah, it was 28.
28. You were.
As you can see, my cousin's really good at solving this Rubik's Cube. Leave a comment if you would like, and he's watching it pretty slow.
Pretty slow.
But we might do another one. Want to start with the 3x3, and I'll see y'all guys later.